Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial for your business. It's called Search Engine Optimization, or SEO for short. Don't let the name scare you. It's actually quite simple. SEO is just the process of making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. When someone searches for a product you sell or a service you offer, you want your website to show up. Good SEO makes that happen. It's like putting a big, bright sign on your digital storefront so that people who are already looking for you can find you easily. So, why does this matter so much, especially for a small business? Think about it. Most people don't flip through phone books anymore. When they need something, they pull out their phone and search for it online. If your website appears on the first page of Google's search results, you get clicks. Those clicks are from people actively seeking what you have. This is a powerful, long-term strategy for getting a steady stream of visitors and potential customers to your website without paying for every single click, unlike traditional advertising. Let's break SEO down into its core parts. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation and good materials. The first thing to understand is keywords. These are simply the words and phrases people type into the search bar. Your job is to figure out what your potential customers are searching for. Use them naturally in your website's titles. Use them naturally in your website's headings. Use them naturally in your website's main text. The key is to write for humans first, not for search engine robots. Next up is something called on-page SEO. This refers to all the things you can control directly on your web pages. Clear and concise titles for each page. Simple, descriptive URLs. Use headings to structure your content. H1 for your main title. H2 for subheadings. Adding images with descriptive file names. Writing compelling meta descriptions. The little summary that shows up in search results. Make your page load quickly. Ensure it's easy to read. Then we have off-page SEO. Building your website's reputation across the internet. Get links from other reputable websites to yours. Think of each link as a vote of confidence. When a trusted site links to you, Google sees it as a sign that your content is valuable. Create incredibly useful articles. Create incredibly useful guides. Create incredibly useful tools. It's about building relationships and providing real value. Next, technical SEO. Finally, local SEO. Technical SEO is the foundation of your house. It's about how well your site is built. Fast web host. Fix broken links. Make sure your site works perfectly on mobile phones. Use a secure connection, HTTPS. Local SEO is absolutely vital if you have a physical store or serve a specific geographic area. Claim and optimize your Google business profile. Make sure your address is consistent online. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing the SEO game, making it faster and more effective. One of the biggest ways AI helps is with content creation. AI tools can help you brainstorm article ideas, draft initial outlines, write paragraphs of text. You can't just copy and paste what an AI gives you. Always act as the editor. Check facts, add your voice, ensure quality. But it can seriously speed up the process. AI is also a fantastic assistant for keyword research. AI analyzes massive data to uncover new keyword opportunities and related topics. It can help you understand search intent, buy versus learn. That insight helps you create content that matches user needs and what Google wants. AI also improves website optimization and user experience. Some tools suggest improvements for titles, headers, meta descriptions to be more appealing to users and search engines. You can deploy an AI-powered chatbot on your site. It can answer common visitor questions 24/7, guide visitors to the right pages, and help convert them into customers. Boosting engagement signals SEO loves. You don't need a massive budget to get started with SEO. You can see how many people are visiting. You can see which pages they look at the most. You can see how long they stay. This information is gold. It tells you what your audience loves. When a blog post gets a lot of traffic, create more like it. Use data to make decisions, not guesses. Content is king. Search engines want to deliver helpful, relevant answers. Create pages that are genuinely useful. Write about topics you know well and answer real customer questions. Use simple language. Break up text with short paragraphs and lists. Include helpful images. Update older pages to keep them fresh and relevant. We've covered a lot. SEO helps people find you, bringing steady, high-quality traffic without paying for every click. Focus on relevant keywords, genuinely helpful content, and a fast, user-friendly site. Use AI to work faster. Then apply human judgment for strategy, accuracy, and quality. And if you want a hand, TechWeb can support your efforts, on your terms. When you're ready to grow with search, TechWeb is your steady, trusted partner by your side.